Good day friends, and welcome to another YouTube video. In this video, we are going to dig deeper into the world of t-shirt business, so let's get started. T-shirt printing is a process of applying customized designs, patterns, or artwork onto t-shirts using various printing techniques. This allows individuals or businesses to create unique and personalized garments that reflect their style, brand, or message. There are several popular methods of t-shirt printing, including screen printing, heat transfer, and direct-to-garment (DTG) printing. In screen printing, a stencil or screen is created with the desired design, and ink is pushed through the screen onto the fabric. This method is suitable for large quantities and offers vibrant, long-lasting prints. Heat transfer involves using heat and pressure to transfer a design from a special heat transfer vinyl or paper onto the fabric. It is a versatile method that allows for intricate designs and is commonly used for small orders or one-off prints. DTG printing utilizes specialized inkjet printers to directly print the design onto the t-shirt. This method allows for detailed, full-color prints and is ideal for small batches or single-piece orders. Starting a t-shirt printing business can be an exciting venture. Here are some steps to help you get started. Research and plan. Study the market to understand the demand for custom t-shirt printing in your area or target market. Identify your niche and target audience. Determine if you want to focus on corporate clients, schools, sports teams, or individual customers. Analyze your competition and identify what sets you apart. Create a business plan. Outline your business goals, target market, marketing strategies, pricing structure, and financial projections. Determine the legal structure of your business, sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, etc. Calculate your startup costs, including equipment, supplies, marketing expenses, and working capital. Set up your business. Register your business and obtain the necessary permits and licenses as per your local regulations. Choose a suitable business name and consider trademark registration to protect your brand. Open a business bank account to separate personal and business finances. Set up an accounting system to track your expenses, revenue, and taxes. Equipment and supplies. Research and invest in high-quality t-shirt printing equipment that suits your budget and printing needs. Options include heat transfer machines, screen printing equipment, or direct-to-garment (DTG) printers. Purchase blank t-shirts in various sizes and colors from wholesale suppliers. Acquire printing supplies such as inks, screens, heat transfer vinyl, and other consumables. Design and artwork. Develop a portfolio of attractive and unique designs that cater to your target market. Hire a graphic designer or learn graphic design skills yourself to create custom designs. Ensure your designs comply with copyright laws and obtain appropriate licenses if using licensed images or logos. Printing and production. Determine the printing methods you will offer, such as screen printing, heat transfer, or DTG printing. Practice and master your printing techniques to ensure high-quality results. Establish a workflow for receiving orders, processing artwork, and fulfilling customer requests efficiently. Marketing and promotion. Create a professional website showcasing your services, designs, and contact information. Utilize social media platforms to showcase your work, engage with potential customers, and run targeted advertising campaigns. Attend local events, trade shows, or set up pop-up shops to reach your target audience. Collaborate with influencers or local businesses to expand your reach. Offer promotional deals and discounts to attract initial customers and build a client base. Customer service and fulfillment. Provide excellent customer service by promptly responding to inquiries, addressing concerns, and delivering orders on time. Develop a system to manage orders, track inventory, and ensure accurate shipping or delivery. Implement quality control measures to maintain the highest standards in printing and garment quality. Remember that building a successful business takes time, effort, and perseverance. Continuously innovate, adapt to market trends, and provide exceptional value to your customers to stand out in the competitive t-shirt printing industry. That is all for today's video. If you enjoyed this content, consider giving us a like as well as hitting the subscribe button for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.